National Restaurant Association's Restaurant Performance Index in April advanced to 101.7, an increase of 0.3%. Basically, restaurant operators reported improvements in same-store sales as well as same-store traffic conditions, and also in terms of capital spending. 60%, in other words, 3 out of every 5 restaurant operators actually reported that they will make a capital expenditure over the next 6 months, and 56% reported that they had actually made a capital expenditure over the past 3 months. Regarding restaurant industry employment in April, the industry continued to add jobs, up another 33,000. When one looks at restaurant industry employment over the past year, that increase is 3.3%. Which is nearly double the national employment increase of 1.7%. So over the first 4 months of 2014, the industry on a daily basis has added an average of 970 jobs each and every day. The association also recently released its summer employment forecast, and this summer the industry will add over 500,000 positions. This is the second consecutive year that the restaurant industry has added over 500,000 positions. Regarding what's going on with wholesale food price inflation, April was an extremely volatile month. Wholesale food prices in April over a year earlier levels are now up 3.5%. If this rate continues throughout the year, this will be the highest annual wholesale food price inflation rate since 2011. However, when one looks at restaurant menu prices, that increase April over last April is running at 2.2%. In comparison, grocery store prices 1.7% over the same period. So in sum, the Restaurant Performance Index in April, 101.7, up 0.3%. Restaurant industry employment up 33,000. Wholesale food price inflation running at 3.5%. Versus menu price inflation at 2.2%. And don't forget, for additional information, to visit our website, restaurant.org. Thank you.